This Chamberlain 8-foot garage door extension kit is purpose-built for Whisper Drive and Whisper Drive Plus openers, so it integrates smoothly with existing systems without awkward workarounds. The included structural steel rail section adds welcome rigidity to longer doors, helping the opener run more smoothly and reducing flex over time. Because the kit comes with a correctly sized replacement belt and matching rail components, you avoid the guesswork of mixing and matching generic parts. All of the necessary brackets, fasteners, and hardware are in the box, which makes installation straightforward for a careful do-it-yourself homeowner or a professional installer. The extension allows belt drive openers to handle garage doors up to 8 feet high, which is ideal for taller residential doors that standard kits cannot fully lift. Once installed, the belt drive remains pleasantly quiet and reliable, preserving the low noise advantage that Chamberlain belt systems are known for.